What exactly is pollution? We always hear people talking about it in the halls, classroom, or just in everyday life, but we never really think about what pollution is and what it does. An article on What is Pollution states that pollution occurs when pollutants contaminate the natural surroundings, which brings about changes that affect our normal lifestyles adversely. Pollution is everywhere, in the air, water, and soil, and is harmful to our environment. Pollution can be visible or invisible. Most obvious kind of pollution is visible, and you can see it in the air coming from factories or plants. This type of pollution is air pollution. Carbon dioxide is the main air pollutant. Living things emit carbon dioxide when they breathe, but breathing is not what is polluting the earth. It is when carbon dioxide is associated with cars, planes, power plants, and other things that involve burning fossil fuels, such as gasoline and natural gas. Also, greenhouse gases, such as methane, which comes from swamps, also can be a cause of air pollution. Methane can also be emitted from livestock and CFCs, which were in aerosols and refrigerating. This is not going untouched. Industrial countries have worked to reduce the amount of air pollution in order to improve health of the people and the environment, even though they have not been able to stop it completely. While air pollution is busy polluting the air we breathe, water pollution is polluting the water we drink. Water pollution is the polluting of water sources such as streams, rivers, and lakes. According to National Geographic Freshwater 101, the pollution being in the form of human sewage, animal excrement, and rainwater runoff, flavored by nutrient-rich fertilizers from yards and farms, find their way through river systems into seas, sometimes creating coastal ocean zones void of oxygen. This prevents animals from having the air they need to survive in the ocean. One positive thing is that with today's development, we have created a filtration system to where the water going into most of parts of the ocean is filtered instead of full of containment. We have also prevented industrial and agriculture operations from throwing pollution into lakes or streams. Water pollution is harmful to many different species, including us as humans, and although we have helped to prevent it from happening, it has not been eliminated completely. Pollution is not only in the water, but also in the soil we let our children play in and day out. According to soil pollution is the presence of toxic chemicals in soil with high enough concentrations to be at risk to humans' health and or ecosystems. Soil pollution can be natural or man-made. Most frequent soil pollution is man-made, and it is from accidental leaks and spills from the manufacturing process. Construction sites are one of the reasons. Because of the building of new areas, construction workers contaminate the soil with the chemicals they use in their work. Some dust can be harmful to humans and animals, and humans causing respiratory problems, asthma, bronchitis, and even cancer. While the soil that we walk on and use for a variety of different things is polluting, radioactive pollution is going on also. Radioactive pollution is all three types of pollution. It is the chemicals being released into the air, water, and soil. According to riverkeeper.org, every exposure to radiation increases the risk of damaging tissues, cells, DNA, and other vital molecules. Each exposure can potentially cause progressive cell damage, death, genetic mutations, cancers, birth defects, and immune and endocrine system disorders. With this being said, there is no safe radiation. We should never be exposed to it. Not only does radioactive pollution harm us and other organisms, but also the pollution itself harms the world. In conclusion, pollution harms the environment in many different ways and forms, and has been harming them for years and years. It is only us that can take part in the keeping of a healthy environment and lifestyle. It is up to us to stop the air, water, soil, and radioactive pollution around the world.